ZCAR stock analysis and price prediction. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play. With Zoomcar Holdings, we are sitting at approximately 16 cents right now. And I've overall made 24,000 stock analysis videos and spent thousands of dollars in trading education over the last 4 years. The strategy that I'm using has delivered thousands of wins in 2023 and 2024, and I've documented everything. So with Zoomcar, the idea was correct. You know, when I last made the video, an idea was correct, but this is the video. This was a month ago.
Stock.
Let me show you how this looked like. Exactly like this, right? This was my when, like 23rd of May. And, I mean, then the next day we just dropped back that, but now we're here. What I'm gonna do? Let me just grab the link. Why not? Keep it here, and just gonna move this to the right side because it's in the way. Yeah, I mean, this is still going to be the top of the range, so I'm just still going to mark out the lows and only really be bearish if the price gives the rules. But honestly, like, just my bias is just still going to be pointing down. It's not like I'm in a short, it's just my bias. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. I'll see you in the next